Hi, in this video we are going to continue the creation of the multi-page web application. This is a list of suggestions how you should use this video. The notes for this video can be found at this URL, which is loaded here. Okay, so the next thing we want to do is we want to create a cart, right? Because when we say add to cart, the cart.spx is not there, and then if we say go to cart, it's not there, so we need to create that page. The code for this page actually can be found here, but I want to just show you step by step, how it is done. Okay, so let's go to Visual Studio. Right click on eg002 and say I want to add a new item. Add new item. And that is a web form, and I'm just going to change the name here instead of changing later. I'm just going to call it cart.aspx. Okay, so obviously they generate two pages. One is cart.aspx, one is cart.aspx.cs. So let's look at cart.aspx. We need to do a couple of things. The first thing we want to do is we want to create a title. And then we want to link it to the style sheet. And then we want to create a content ID. Okay, and we don't need the ID here, but we need to move the form into this place. And then we want to create a title. Okay, I want to create another title inside here, inside the form. Save your work, Control S to save. Come over here. So now when I say add to cart, it will go to this place. When I say go to cart, it will come to this place, which is the second page called cart.aspx. Okay. All right, good. So the next thing we want to do is we go to this page, and then we want to show a list box. So let's open up our cart.aspx. Okay, and we want to add a list box. Of course, we can just come over here and drag a list box and then change the name and all that, but that just takes too long here. So I'm just going to copy my code. Of course, you can always code. You don't have to always drag. So we have a list box, and then we are going to create two buttons. Okay. Group them together using using some of the IDs here. Okay, so so we add two buttons. One is called button remove, one is called button empty. Okay. For the button remove, what it does is it will call a function called button remove click, which we need to create. And for button empty, we also say button empty click, which is a function that we need to create. Okay, and to create those stuff, we are going to put it into cart.aspx. Cart.aspx. So we have a button remove click. And then we have button empty, click. Button remove, button empty. Save all. So now we have two buttons that is not working. Obviously our functions are empty, and we have a drop-down list box. Okay, we have a list box, and the list box is very ugly because we need to put a BR tag below here. That will make it better looking. I have to go from this page. Okay, now it looks better. Probably I should add a BR here as well. Okay, right, then we want to create another two buttons. Okay, we can remove item, we can empty cart. We want to create another two items, two buttons, and a message. The two buttons, of course you can just drag the button and change, but I'll just copy it here. One button is, hey, I want to go back to order.aspx. Okay, that's pretty easy. Button continue. Another button is, I want to check out. Okay, so we need a function called button checkout. Calculate a price, ask people to pay and all that. But to make life easier, instead of creating another file and make another 10 videos, I'm going to just say, hey, well, we haven't implemented that one yet, and then we output a message to the message to the ID LBL message. So we're going to create a function called button checkout. Let's see what's going on. Okay. Oh, I forgot to save. Okay, make sure you save all. Make sure you remember to save. All right, so let's do this. Okay, so if you check out, you say, hey, sorry, the function has not been implemented yet. If you say continue shopping, it will bring you back. Okay, obviously we still have a couple of empty functions here, like remove item and empty cart, which we need to work on. Okay, all right, that's a good place to stop. In the next video we are going to work on those things. Thanks for watching. Bye.